Hey everyone! If you spend a lot of time in the terminal, you know how much of a difference a great emulator can make. We're diving into two amazing options, Kitty and Ghostty. We're going to compare how they handle split panes, resizing, tabs, and themes. Basically everything you need for a productive and personalized workflow. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with split panes in Kitty. Kitty is a multitasker's dream. You can create horizontal, vertical, and even stacked splits using just a few keyboard shortcuts. This is perfect for managing multiple sessions or projects, all in one view. Whether you're debugging code or monitoring servers, Kitty's split pane support makes everything feel organized and powerful. Now let's see how Ghostty stacks up. Ghostty keeps things simple but sleek. You can split your terminal horizontally or vertically using easy shortcuts, and the animations are smooth and modern. It's a little more lightweight than Kitty, but it still gets the job done beautifully. If you're into clean design and straightforward functionality, Ghosty's splits will definitely impress. Kitty is a multitasker's dream. You can create horizontal, vertical, and even stacked splits using just a few keyboard shortcuts. This is perfect for managing multiple sessions or projects all in one view. Whether you're debugging code, monitoring servers, or running different tasks simultaneously, Kitty's split pane support keeps everything organized. And the best part? It's incredibly responsive, even with multiple splits, thanks to Kitty's GPU acceleration. Ghostty, on the other hand, makes resizing interactive and intuitive. You can use keyboard shortcuts, but what sets Ghostty apart is the ability to resize panes by simply dragging the borders with your mouse. It's smooth, effortless, and feels super polished. Kitty takes tabs to the next level. You can open as many tabs as you need, rename them, and navigate between them quickly using shortcuts. It's all about keeping your workflow streamlined and efficient. But here's the real kicker. You can pre-configure layouts to automatically open specific tabs and windows exactly how you want them. This is a huge time saver if you have recurring tasks or need to quickly jump into a set of pre-arranged terminals. Plus, Kitty's tab management supports custom behaviors, like making certain tabs stay open or auto-closing after a task completes. Ghostty keeps it simple and clean with its tab system. You can open, close, and switch between tabs easily, which is perfect if you prefer a straightforward, no-fuss setup. The tabs are responsive and fit perfectly with Ghosty's minimalist design, giving you an elegant and efficient way to manage your terminal sessions. Alright, let's talk themes and customization, starting with Kitty. Kitty is the ultimate choice for personalization. It offers a massive library of pre-built themes, and if you're feeling creative, you can make your own. From changing colors to customizing layouts and fonts, Kitty lets you fine-tune every detail to match your style. Ghostty keeps things more straightforward. While it doesn't have as many pre-built themes yet, you can still tweak colors and fonts easily. Plus, the theme library is growing thanks to its active community. If you're into clean, modern looks, Ghosty's got you covered. So, which terminal emulator should you go with? Pick Kitty if you want full control over splits, resizing, tabs, and themes. It's a feature-packed choice for power users and customization enthusiasts. Choose Ghostty if you're looking for a sleek, beginner-friendly terminal with a modern vibe. It's great for macOS and Linux users who love simplicity and style. Both are amazing tools. It all comes down to your workflow. Let me know in the comments which one you're using. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech deep dives like this one. See you next time.